Good Monday evening. Southeast Texas fall has certainly arrived to our area. Tomorrow morning when you get up, could see lows in the mid to upper 40s lakes, low to mid 50s in the triangle. But wait, there's more. We could see low temperatures just above freezing in the lakes area Wednesday morning. That's not tonight, that's tomorrow night. And there could be frost up that way. So if you got any tender vegetation you want to protect, start working towards that. Otherwise, temperatures low to mid 40s in the triangle coming up Wednesday morning. Otherwise, much dry air mass filtering on in behind our latest cold front. As you can see, this means that static electricity may be an issue as you get in and out of your pickup or hit the keys into the door. Otherwise, it also means humidity levels will be quite low. Over the next several days, dry weather will persist. We might see a slight chance of showers by Monday. We'll go with a 20% coverage, but as you can see, both models show very light stuff at this point. Futurecast is showing a gradual decrease in the cloud cover that was so prevalent across the area today. We are expecting temperatures to bottom out into the 40s up in the lakes area and in the 50s in the triangle. So it's going to be one of those days it's going to be hard to dress your kids because we'll see a 25-degree temperature change between the lows in the morning and the highs tomorrow, which under mostly sunny skies should be into the mid to upper 60s. But it's looking like a fantastic midweek forecast and a break from the Gulf of Mexico. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, notice this large trough of low pressure. This is a strong trough of low pressure. On the backside of it, a nice ridge of high pressure. In between, northerly flow aloft means dry weather the next several days. The pattern will begin shifting to more of a ridge of high pressure over our area as we work on into Friday and over the course of the weekend. That means higher humidities and warmer temperatures are on the way. On the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, a small craft advisory in effect for choppy seas around 2 to 4 feet, north winds at 20 to 30 knots, our temperature at 79. Our forecast tonight, decreasing cloudiness, breezy and chilly at times, lows in the mid to upper 40s lakes and the low to mid 50s triangle. Then tomorrow, after a chilly start, we'll see a mild, maybe even a cool afternoon with lots of sun. Highs should be into the mid to occasionally upper 60s. Next 3 days, Wednesday morning could see patchy frost in the lakes area, not expecting it in the triangle, but 66 up in the lakes, or in the triangle, I should say, Wednesday afternoon. Lots of sun as we begin the warming trend on Thursday. Still a chilly morning, highs in the mid 70s expected. Friday, we'll start to see moisture starting to return across the area, and that'll set the stage for a dry weekend as those low temperatures warm through the 60s to near 70. Yeah, that's when you will certainly have to turn on the air conditioner. Regardless, it looks like a dry weekend with warm afternoons. Then the part of the forecast that is the toughest is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Whether or not we get a cold front into the area, quite a bit of uncertainty as far as the strength of the front and whether or not it makes it. Depends on which model you go with. At this point, I believe that a weak frontal passage is possible and maybe even some dry weather returning behind the front coming up Wednesday a week and Thursday a week out. Still up in the air, literally. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.